Hey guys, I am going to give you the learning directions that you are going to accomplish in AVID today. Unfortunately, I will not be there as I will be home with sick kids. And as you can tell by my voice, I'm not doing too stellar either. The first thing that's going to happen today is you are going to meet your tutors, the fabulous Sandy, Sue, and Sarah. We are going to be working with them all year long. You guys are so lucky. With these tutors, you're going to do tutorials, you're going to do goal setting, and some other things that are going to help you enhance your academic abilities. The second thing I'm going to do is actually put you into groups. These are your tutorial groups that you will be with until I randomly change them up. So you will stay with your group and then with your assigned tutor, which you'll find out next week, for a while until we decide to change them up. Then in your groups, you are going to actually rotate around and meet the tutors. So your group will meet with one tutor. Each one of you will introduce yourself, including your name, and using those good strategies that we learned earlier this year about how we introduce ourselves. And then you're going to share one or two things in your lives that are important to you. Maybe it's sports, maybe it's people, maybe it's TV shows, maybe it's an ability like drawing. But just think of some of those things in your world that are important to you, like video games, maybe. And then hopefully I will be back on Thursday, but if not, expect another wonderful video like this one.